Good morning, comrades. My name is Magdych, and today I got the delivery, this box from the Amazon, and I will show you what is inside. I'm really excited to see myself what is there. I also want to use it. As you clicked on this video, probably you know what is inside. There is a new lens. It's the most expensive lens that I've ever bought, but I think it's my, so to say, last lens to buy. I have 20mm, I have 55mm, and this beautiful baby 135mm lens. So I think those three focal lengths will cover most of the stuff that I need from the camera to take pictures and also videos. But let's jump into the package and see what's inside. I don't have really good unboxing setup. I hope you can forgive me for that, but I will try to show you as much as possible and give my opinion on what's actually inside of this box. You might already see through the bubble wrap. It's here. You can read what's inside. Okay, let's see, let's open, let's remove the bubble wrap here this way. Okay, yes, this is the baby FE 135mm f1.8GM lens for Sony E mount. It's really heavy. I think it's really heavy. It's probably the heaviest lens that I've ever used. I will compare to some of my old ones, but this looks and feels really heavy. Let's try and open it up. Let's see what's actually inside the box. Wow, that's pretty big. Yeah, nice. It's very different from what I had before. This kind of bag pouch, I would say. It's very nice, it's very compact. This one looks a little bit much bulkier and bigger, but it's probably better for the protection. If you have such an expensive lens, you want a better protection for your lens. It's definitely maybe a little bit bigger and more difficult to handle, but I really like it so far. Oh my god, this is much bigger than I expected. Alright, it will probably look a little bit funny on my A7C because I'm using A7C. In the future, I will probably buy something bigger body, so it will go much better with this lens. But this is tremendously huge. Wow, I didn't expect it to be such a big lens. It definitely will be too big for my A7C. Let me compare it to my smaller lens. I also own a 55mm size, which is really good lens. I love it. It's very good for many things. Huge, and you compare it to 55mm. Looks so tiny. It's such a big lens because of the quality of glass. There is a lot of glass inside. I mean, it's just a huge piece of glass. Let's put this back on. I don't want to scratch it before I start using it. Let's see what's on the back. Right, very nice. There is weather sealing. There is beautiful G Master logo, orange G. There are two programmable buttons, one at the top of the lens and one on the side. You can assign different things. By default, I think in most Sony cameras, it's the focus hold. On this side, there is autofocus and manual focus switch, which is very handy. There is focusing distance for this camera, for this lens to not to work too hard. You would set probably long distance, shorter distance. Shorter distance would be 0.7 meter to 2 meters of focusing distance, and the other one will be from 1.5 to infinity. Also, there is the click and declick switch, so your aperture would be declicked. By the default, it's in auto mode, so you have to move it around a little bit, and it's very smooth. It's moving very smoothly, but then when you go to auto, you have to pull it a little bit harder. It's really good to have this clicked and declicked mode, so you can feel, you can hear. So let's try and just put the lens hood on. it's just humongous. I think it will look really funny on my small camera, but I mean, I don't worry about that as long as it works properly, as long as it does the job. Let's pop this thing on my camera and see some photos. Thanks comrades for watching. This is a huge lens. One more time I want to say that I'm really excited to use it more and more, take more pictures, maybe try some video, and I will show it to you. If you don't want to miss, please subscribe to my channel here or follow me on Instagram. There are links in the description, so you will see all of my pictures. I will definitely put the tag that I took the picture on this lens on my camera, and you will see what this lens is capable of. I'm really excited once again to use it and try it out, go out and shoot. Yeah, so please stay tuned and see you next time.